Hello again, it's Jason Carlson. Long time no see. So this is the backside of the package opening from Cherokee Lockpicking. She reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in the Bear's Back Challenge stock lock, and I said yes. And this is the other components inside this, which I quickly rushed through in the original video. So let's get it unpacked. Cherokee Lockpicking is probably one of the nicest human beings there is out there, and she's just an absolutely wonderful part of this community. First Key in the Deep by Fast Charlie. First key ever filed from a blank. Oh, very cool. It is an American. I think she gave me a warning about this particular lock. I am not gonna, oh my goodness. Look at that. That's brutal. That's gonna be nightmare level. Oh well. Fast Charlie. Great lockmaker. Spectacular part of the community. Let's see what else we have in here. The Deep by Daz Evers. I've seen this one picked a couple of times. Some pins. Oh, I'm not going to get into the whole reading of it. It is a Union 6-pinner. Very cool. I can see heavy modifications to the pins, and that will keep me awesomely busy. I also need to get a pile of challenge locks out to the rest of the community. I have a pile that I have now picked my way through and now need to get back out in the world. Thinking about sending a package over to Daz. Ooh, Master! It's the 6850. I have never touched one of these, ever. These are absolutely beautiful brass locks. Wow. Got some serious spring tension on that core. Oh, it's a shame it's pinned in. Is it key retaining? No, not key retaining. That's very cool. Awesome. Very, very cool. Thank you very much. And Cherokee #1 test. This, I think, will be the first lock that I get into. #1 test by Cherokee. Love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me to send me a lock, especially your first one. This will be lovely, absolutely lovely. I will get it on video, and we'll let you know that I got it open, or if I didn't, I'll show you that you whipped me. There we go. What else do we have in here? Lots of Schlags. Oh, look at that. Thumper. One big guess shit. Look at that. It's all 0-bitted. But I bet there's a... Oh yeah, I can see that that top part's been pulled out. And I bet there have been some modifications to this inside. Thumper makes some awesome locks, man. He does. And he is a trip of a human being. I love talking to that guy. We chat through email, bounce information back and forth on Facebook. Great brother. Awesome lock picker. Really good part of the community. That would be all of it in the package sent by Cherokee Lockpicking. It's been an awesome Sunday. Everything has been just glorious. The weather here is improving dramatically. It's warm outside. I need to go out and think about mowing my lawn. The glow-in-the-dark lock picks have now almost been completed, and I'm going to start sending them out to the recipients. And you know, it's just been a really good day. Thank you again so much, Cherokee Lockpicking, for sending me the Bear's Back Challenge lock and all of these locks. Everybody have a great Sunday, and remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.